Namaste dear my viewers, welcome to our multi-dynamic channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting realm of transportation and exploring two game-changing technologies that are shaping the future: self-driving cars and Hyperloop. Get ready to buckle up as we take a journey into the world of automated vehicles and high-speed travel. Let's get started. The rise of self-driving cars has been nothing short of remarkable. With advancements in autonomous vehicle technology, we're witnessing a revolution in transportation. These vehicles offer a range of benefits, such as improved safety, reduced traffic congestion, and increased accessibility. Let's take a closer look. But how exactly do self-driving cars work? Well, it all starts with a sophisticated array of sensors, cameras, radar, and lidar. These components allow the car to perceive its surroundings, making sense of the environment in real time. With complex algorithms and AI systems, the vehicle can make decisions and control its movements. It's truly a marvel of technology. To give you a better understanding, let's see self-driving car technology in action. Take a look at this incredible footage. As you can see, these vehicles can navigate through busy streets, detect pedestrians and other vehicles, and make safe and efficient driving decisions. Now, let's shift gears and explore Hyperloop, a revolutionary concept that's set to transform high-speed transportation. Inspired by Elon Musk's vision, Hyperloop offers incredible speed, energy efficiency, and reduced travel time. It's an exciting development that could change the way we travel. So, how does Hyperloop work? Picture this: a network of vacuum tubes where passenger pods travel at incredible speeds using magnetic, levitation, and linear induction motors. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's becoming a reality. Engineers and innovators around the world are working tirelessly to make this concept a practical mode of transportation. Speaking of which, let's take a look at some prominent Hyperloop projects. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop, SpaceX, and other startups are making significant progress in bringing this technology to life. From successful prototype tests to plans for operational. Of course, like any disruptive technology, self-driving cars and Hyperloop face their fair share of challenges. Infrastructure requirements, public acceptance, and regulatory frameworks are just a few of the hurdles that need to be addressed. Safety concerns are also at the forefront of discussions. However, through collaborative efforts between industry, government, and academia, these challenges can be overcome. Looking ahead, the future of transportation is incredibly promising. Self-driving cars and Hyperloop have the potential to revolutionize how we move and connect with the world around us. Safer roads, faster travel, and reduced environmental impact are just a few of the benefits we can expect. As we conclude this deep dive into the future of transportation, we can't help but feel excited about the possibilities that lie ahead. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained valuable insights into self-driving cars and Hyperloop. If you found it interesting, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech content. See you in next video. Namaste.